Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning for the all audience in this classroom. For this time, we will discuss about the nice research that published on the Halion International Journal, published on the 2024. This is still new research article. In this research article, we will discuss about the how to using the probability modeling, namely the odds Lomax logistic distribution. We will to using the cancer data. So let's open our research article. Okay. In this research article published on the 2024, there is the one's probability modeling or the density function, namely Lomax logistic distribution. This model will apply using the cancer data. In this research article, like usually in the Rado institutes, we must focus to the density function. We can find the density function on the equation 7. In the equation 7, there is the one function, we call that density function, with the 4 parameters, such as A, B, C, and D. The density function, we call that odd Lomax logistic distribution. Okay. And then we can find the cumulative distribution function in the equation 6. We have known the 6 equation and the 7 equation. We can create the cumulative plot and the density function plot. Okay. So we are lucky in this research article, we can find the likelihood only. In the equation 40x, okay, in the equation 40x, we can find likelihood only. This likelihood only, but not log likelihood. Okay, it's very easy to find the log likelihood if we have the likelihood. We just only take the value of the logarithm natural from the likelihood. So after we have the initial information, what is the density function, what is the distribution, cumulative distribution function, and then what is the likelihood function, we will try to our R programming to solve the problem by using the cancer data. Okay, that's why we will open our R programming. Okay, we have designed the goods coding programming for the odd Lomax logistic distribution. We will try to use the 120x, the breeder cancer data. This is data, 120x. And then we are success to create the log likelihood. This is the log likelihood. Okay. Like we say before, in the research article, we only have the likelihood, like in the equation 40x. So we must take the logarithm natural likelihood that we call the log likelihood. And then we success using likelihood to produce the log likelihood like in this program. Okay, this program. It's a long program, it's long coding. You can check here. You can check here. It's so very long coding. Okay, you can check here, and then you can using to produce another result. Okay, this one. And then after that, we must use the optim. Optim is mean we want to estimate the parameter A, B, C, and D, but we must have the initial value. This is initial value for the A, this is initial value for the B, and this one initial value for the C, and this one for the initial value for D. After that, we are run our programming. Okay, let's run our programming. Okay, let's run our programming. Okay. Okay, we are success to run the programming. If you want to know what is the estimate, what the value the estimate of parameter, we just types O L L L D. So this one is parameter. This is for parameter A. This is for parameter B, and this is for the parameter C, and this is for the parameter D. And then from this R programming, we can use this parameter because we have the information. Our optim is convergent to the zero number. So it means we have success to estimate the for the parameter. Okay, after we have this parameter, we will try to give the definition A for the parameter 1, B parameter 2, C for the parameter C3, and D for the parameter 4. If you want to know A, just type A. If you want to know B, just type B and C and D. This is the for the parameter. After we have for the parameter, we try to using the density plot and the cumulative plot. This is good of the fitness test. It means we want to know our parameters good or not. So we must using the good of fitness test by using the density plot. The density plot is mean you must have the histogram data. Okay, and then the histogram data must be the density function can capture the histogram. And then if we want to create the cumulative plot, we must use the cumulative theoretical. Cumulative theoretical is mean you can using the formula I minus 0.5 divided by n. I is mean the number 1 until the length of data. N is mean the length of data. So the FF theoretical is mean the cumulative theoretical. We can using the formula I minus 0.5 divided n. And we must try to comparison with the cumulative model like in the equation 6. Okay, we run our programming and we check our plot. Okay, we try to programming, we check our plot. Okay, you can see from the PDF plot or the density plot, the red line, it means the density function of the odds Lomax logistic distribution. And then you can see the red line can capture the gray one. The gray one is mean the histogram of the data. So it means we are success. This estimate the parameter and then parameter give the best model. And then from the CDF plot or the cumulative plot, we can find the red line. It means the cumulative theoretical. The cumulative theoretical is mean you can find by using the formula I minus 0.5 divided n. And the blue one, it's mean the cumulative, the model. Cumulative, the model, you can find the equation 6. Okay, from the two figure, from the two plot, density plot, and the cumulative plot, we can conclude that the odd Lomax logistic distribution is the best model for the can share data. And then if you want to know the AEC, a KK information criterion, you can just using the formula -2 multiplied by the log likelihood plus the 2 multiplied by the number of the parameter. So we can run here and then you can check the IC, for the OLLD. This is the value of the IC. So I think that's for our discussion for this morning. We are success using the R program to the estimate the parameter. So it's mean for the all student or the all researchers, you can join with the Radio Institute and then you can find a lot of coding R to solve a lot of research article. I think our discussion is today is enough. See you again, Radio Institute and Radio Yendra. Assalamualaikum.